Hello and Jai Hind students. This is chapter number 3, ruling the countryside for class 8 history. In our previous lecture we had already learned about how that company become Diwan, as East India Company had took Diwani of Bengal by Mughal emperors in 1765. Now company become full-fledged authority, have full-fledged authority to took the revenue as they like to apply on citizens. Now they were started to ruling not only in the kingdoms, however, in the countryside area of the rulers also, as Diwani charges was now in the control of Britishers, I mean to say about the company. So company become now full-fledged authority to take or to collect revenue whatever they charge by the Indians. Now they started and expand their ruling area in other parts of our nation, in village, in towns, in small towns, everywhere. Now they have total charges to control the market, to control the administrative system, legal system by such a way. Revenue for the company. So the company had become the Diwan, but it still saw itself primarily as a trader. But now, after become Diwan of Bengal, company have no full-fledged a system of ruling in India. They were not treated as a ruler of India. Even they started to ruling by another way, but in the mentality of public, company is not a ruler. So it wanted a large revenue income but was unwilling to set up any regular system for assessment and collection. So in this way they have not a systematic system to collect the revenue, and people are unwilling to pay the revenue to company also. Therefore the effort was to increases the revenue as much as it would and buy fine cotton and silk cloth as cheaper as possible. Within 5 years the value of good brought by the company in the Bengal is doubled. So company can purchase anything on any cost as cheaper as they can, but they sell it in the market of European on high rates, and they supply the goods in Bengal as high rating as they apply. So export become increases but import become very costly for Indians, and whatever export was happening that was very cheaper, that Indians were not getting any benefit by that